How to link a Revolut card to Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can link a Revolut card on Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to link a Revolut card to your Revolut account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Revolut application here. Once you launch the Revolut app and then you log into your account, if you already received your Revolut card because maybe you ordered the virtual one or maybe the physical one, to link it to your Revolut account, it's very simple. Tap the card icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just tap the add new option. Now you can see you can choose to order these cards, but if you already received your cards, here you'll find an option that says already have a Revolut card, link it now. So make sure to tap the link it now option, and all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the number on your Revolut card over here. And once you have done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically just tap the link card option. If your details are correct, you'll be successfully able to link your Revolut card to Revolut as well. This way you will be able to link your Revolut card to Revolut. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.